redheads, boys.
Y'all got guns now. Let's just I'm getting out
That's a gorgeous drake right there. 4 redheads. 3 drakes and a hen. That's pretty good. Just smoked a mallard drake. Right there. Came right in. Shot him 3 times and he shot him again. So, yeah.
Does anybody want any widgeon? There's a whole pond full of widgeon. I'll zoom in on them. Don't, Carson. You'll scare them off. Listen. Look at that island right there. Think he's any mallards on that pond?
There's a couple.
Widgeon for days. More mallards.
Well, I got 2 drakes, redheads, and this gorgeous looking gadwall. He might be going on the wall. I don't know yet. I kind of like gadwall. If we had a lot of widgeon, if you guys seen that, there was a lot of widgeon there. If I killed a stud widgeon, that would be a good dead mount. But we got 2 nice drake redheads. We did end up with 4 redheads and 1 gadwall. And we missed 2 geese. The guys I was hunting with, he took a hen and a drake redhead to go mount, and I done got a redhead mounted, so I'll probably use him. I think this is my first ever gadwall I ever killed. I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, if you guys like these videos, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.